Hey guys, today we're doing a DIY industrial dresser. These are the inspirations. On retail they go for about $400 to $600 while I was looking to buy a dresser. I personally don't want to spend that much money on a dresser because budgeting. So I made mine for $165. You can make yours way cheaper than that. I just found my dresser on Facebook Marketplace for $125. And because I was being impatient, I decided that that was good enough, even though I could have waited a week and found one for $50, but it's worth it, for me at least, because I have it now finished. Let's get this started. You can find your dresser either at Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, check Goodwill, get a hand-me-down dresser. Just whatever you do, be safe, and let's get started. Next we're gonna paint it, and as you can see in the first clip, I had some hand-me-down paint from my sister. It was a little older, but it wasn't too old. It was still not thick enough for me. I did not like that, and honestly I did not want to put that many coats on it. So I went ahead and went to Lowe's and bought a $20 thing of paint about this big. I think it was one of the samples, and that covered it after 2 coats. Alright, next step, you're going to need a drill if you don't already have the holes in your dresser. So I had to do that. And after you figure out the spacing, you just mark it and drill the holes so that you can properly put the handles in the right spot and be able to install them correctly. Alright, now that everything's finished, just put the dresser where you want it and put it all together. And here is the final results.